Presenting Lifelong LLMG23 Power Pro 500-watt mixer grinder in black. The 500-watt grinder comes with 3 stainless steel jars, liquidizing jar, multipurpose jar and chutney jar, and feature 3-speed operation and overload safety button. The rust-free stainless steel blades and easy grip handles ensure easy handling and grinding. It is also available in brown, white brown and white gray, and comes in a size of 35.1 by 29.3 by 20 centimeters and weighs 2.76 kilograms. The box contains the mixer grinder, 3 stainless steel jars, manual and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.